Okay.
There's a couple more here. There's a couple more.
Mommy, I found the biggest egg.
The biggest egg. Oh,
I found it. Mommy, look what I found beneath the pillow.
cool. Good score.
Can you show me, Joe?
Will that fit in your basket?
I need it.
Hey, Alex. See if we can get it in there.
Yay.
Nope, this is it.
Hey, I see some more.
Alex.
So he's got it now.
I'm thinking he hasn't put them in the shelf. Let's see if you
You wanna put that in your basket?
Shoes.
Put that in your basket.
Okay.
Right here. Put it in your basket.
Alex,
And it
this
goes.
is what I found. I found some of these eggs.
No, it goes
I
in there. It's
have
an
to
Easter
have
present.
them all.
Oh, Joey, thank you. That's nice.
What a good girl.
You're a very good sister.
This is guys. I'll look in the shoes.
Joey, there's some that are higher for you.
Whoa.
Jesus.
You can have the other green one.
Ooh.
Score.
Whoa. He even had a present. That's down.
Here it goes.
Alex, you can have this one.
Oh, that's nice, Joe. Well, don't go near the stove, sweetheart.
Yeah, there's nothing in the kitchen I saw. Good job. Okay.
It's a vacuum. She's
Your
just.
shoe is gone.
Oh.
He's got the hang of it now.
Yeah, he's understanding.
Yeah, he gets it now. Oh, there you go, Adrian.
Alex, come look over here.
Alex,
Look over here.
there's one egg that I didn't pick up.
You're gonna put it in your basket? Or
Alex,
no?
basket. Alex. Come back to the basket.
Basket?
Yeah.
Alex, this egg you found. Dang. Mommy!
Yeah.
Stay out of here. Stay out of here.
Come into this room. I think there's more over here, children's.
Really?
I
Mommy,
think so.
it's two.
You got to use your eyes and look everywhere. Remember, the Easter Bunny knows that you guys are different sizes.
There's
Some stuff up above. Oh!
I found an egg and this.
Do you think that might
And
be
it's for
for...
my brother.
Yeah.
Alex, look it. It's cards.
The Easter Bunny thought of everything.
It's for you. Open.
Oh,
Can it fit inside here, Alex?
Yeah.
Can you put it in here too?
Open.
Let's look for some more eggs.
yeah, I think, Joey, keep looking up high for some eggs.
I hope he didn't
Like around-
find any up there. My tiny egg.
Joey, you look up high.
Good morning.
Somebody's late to the hunt, I see.
The hump?
Joey? Joey?
What?
Oh, this way around to the door.
I see it. Mommy, look.
Oh, wow, that clever bunny.
Wow.
Daddy, how did he get one up there?
I don't know. Do you need some
And
help?
there's one up there.
Oh my goodness.
No way.
Here, let me give you a
in the
hand.
way.
This one? Oh,
He's
yeah.
blocking my view.
Yeah, another egg.
Egg.
Egg, egg.
Egg.
I hate eggs.
Tractor.
Alex, you better have this green egg.
Oh.
That's nice, Joey. What a good girl.
Because I can't have all the eggs. I love them. Hey,
It's gone, but
Did you get them all?
Sorry, Alex. There's no eggs under here. Oh,
He's really got it now. Off to a bit of a rough start.
I gotta keep always looking out for the